Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to PDMTS, which is Play-Doh Monster Truck Shows, and we are doing freestyle today with, first up is Chrome Edition of the Grave Digger. On your mark, get set, go! Whoa, big jump. There he goes, all the way to the ground. Backflip. Whoa, all the way over. Whoa, big jump. Is he going to get on the side? Oh, I thought he was going to the sidewalls there. And and look at that. He makes it back up. How does he do that? That is awesome. And now, see what he does next. Right up there. And, oh, there he goes. He tipped. And that is the end of his run. He obviously didn't notice that, but he got RII'd. So now he will be out. He's going to do a donut for you guys. He's going to go around in circles. And there you go, guys. Hey, let's take a look at him right now. Look at that. No damage on the truck, but he had to be done. All right, let's go to the next. Next up is Virginia Giant. He is up. On your mark. Get set. Go. Whoa. Look at that. And he will be jumping all around. Backflip up there. And he is going like crazy. Whoa, we have one of our people over there. And one of our producers. He's making sure everything is safe over there. So we are going to keep doing this. Here we go. Oh, and he tips. There is the end of Virginia Giant. He has a little bit of damage. If you can't notice when he was driving, he's got a little bit of a broken tire. All right, let's go to the next one. Next up is the Chrome Edition of Mohawk Warrior. They decided to put a car up in this one just to make it look more realistic. So let's go. On your mark, get set, go. And whoa, big jump, and there we go. Oh, hit down on the ground again. There it is. All right, let's do a wheelie. Whoa, running that wheelie. And there we go. Whoa, where's he going? Oh, doing another wheelie. Oh, I thought he was gonna break that back. Right there. All right. There you go, guys. Oh, he makes it back up. It's the camera fell onto the field, so they had to switch the camera. So here they go. That is not in the arena. He is out of the arena. So that is the end of his run. Put him back, and we are seeing who's next. All right, now we have Team Hot Wheels out here. Take a look at that truck. It just now is getting out to the field. We are looking at this. Whoa. Here he comes. They're getting a better camera angle. On your mark, get set, go. Whoa. Nice jump there. They put another car out. Oh, going over the car. Is he going to go over the other one? Yes, he is. They'll get some close-up shots this time. Oh, and it turns off. What a disappointing thing. Are they going to... All right, they let him refire. Let's see, what's he doing? All right, there he is. Is his truck just turned off again? All right, that's enough where he is done. That is obviously not what they wanted to see. He got RII'd before the truck turned back on. So he will be out. Let's go to the next round. All right, here we are with the last round. We got to hurry up. So the other guys, there was a massive explosion. So on your mark, get set, go. Whoa. Whoa. And he's going to flip. He's going to flip. Watch this. In the circle, and his car is turning off. His truck is turning off. And that will be the end of it. All right, guys, subscribe for more, and bye.